So the struggles of a psychologist and the corresponding money that comes with that struggle has been a huge subject of debate. With me is Karki, and I would like you to introduce yourself and talk a bit about monetization in psychology.
Oh, nice question, Akash, to welcome you on board monetization and psychology. So, first of all, thank you so much for having me here with
Pleasure.
you and asking me to talk about this very needed topic. So, to begin with my introduction, my name is Gargi Dagar and I'm a practicing counseling psychologist. I have been in the profession for 6+ years. I run an organization in Gurgaon, which is known by the name of I Speak Psychological Services.
Mm.
Along with that, I have been working as a school counselor for last 6 years, and now I have finally taken a pause from that horizon of mine. Along with that, I do a lot of projects with government and private organizations. So my latest project is with Uttarakhand Central Jail. And over there, I'm working closely on the lifestyle of prisoners and the staff
Mm.
people so that we can enhance their mental well-being. Along with that, I come from a background of working with Indian Air Force too, and few special forces of India, where I talk about mental health to them and
Mm.
how they can enhance their well-being even when they're working in the crisisful situations.
Mm.
So these are the few things which I very proudly share when I have to introduce myself, Akash.
Yeah. Okay, let me rephrase the question. How has the practice of psychology evolved post-COVID?
Hmm. Okay. सो मुझे अभी भी अपना टाइम याद है जब आई स्टार्टेड विद आई स्पीक सो इट वाज entirely purely creating psycho education content because I started it in March 2020
Mm.
and I saw a complete boom by the time we entered September and October of 2020
Mm-hmm.
because people were becoming aware about themselves. We had a lot of dependency on social media. People started posting, their reels started getting reach when people started sharing, that how troublesome it is to live alone. When
Mm.
you are stuck within your house and you're not going out, how terrible it is to stare on your screen for long working hours as you are in work from home situation. So that thing gave boom to psychology in India in two aspects. One, as people started sharing, people also started relating to them. Second, as the entire world came together on the online mode, so
Mm.
people living abroad, whether from Indian roots or whether Western roots, when they started sharing about their experiences and their way of living during the COVID and all of that, so it gave a nudge to people in India as well that where we are lacking, which is making mental health suffer so much. अदरवाइज अगर आप कोविड से पहले का टाइम देखोगे तो देयर वाज अ टैबू प्योर टैबू दैट मेंटल हेल्थ कंसर्न्स होते ही उनको हैं जो लोग खाली होते हैं जिनके पास कोई काम नहीं होता और दिस इज अ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ प्रिविलेज्ड पीपल सो कोविड हैज एक्चुअली शेप्ड अ लॉट इन मेंटल हेल्थ इंडस्ट्री पोस्ट कोविड
Right. Okay. What are some of the most innovative ways that people can use psychology to build their careers?
सो दिस इज अ स्ट्रगलिंग फेज ऑनेस्टली
Mm.
इंडिया
Mm.
में साइकोलॉजी में करियर बनाना इज अ स्ट्रगलिंग पार्ट
But scope है.
यस दैट इज डेफिनेटली देयर
Okay.
या
Yeah.
स्कोप है क्योंकि नीड है राइट
Yeah.
एवरीबडी वॉन्ट्स टू टॉक देयर हार्ट आउट अगर मैं अभी तुमसे भी चार बातें पूछूंगी ना तुम्हारी पर्सनल लाइफ के बारे में तो स्टार्टिंग में तुम्हें थोड़ा सा ऐसा फील होगा कि इज शी द राइट पर्सन बट वेन यू वॉक इन फॉर अ काउंसलिंग सेशन ना तो आप ऑलरेडी अपनी इंटेंशन सेट करके आते हो कि शी इज द राइट पर्सन और ही इज द राइट पर्सन
Mm.
क्योंकि इनका तो प्रोफेशन का ही है ना that
Mm.
they will make your heart come out and you will open up like your deepest, your saddest, your happy parts, and you will be celebrated for who you are. Then why not? Career to hai because people wants to talk about it. So that is
And
that thing.
yeah,
Yeah.
the struggling phase you were saying.
या सो दी स्ट्रगलिंग फेज है बट अगर हम बात करते हैं कि करियर कैसे बनाना चाहिए सो
Mm.
इस टाइम पे जो लोग अपना मास्टर्स कर चुके हैं दे आर स्टार्टिंग विद द प्रोफेशन जिनका डिग्री इस साल कंप्लीट होगा सो दे शुड लुक फॉरवर्ड टू गेटिंग सुपरवाइज्ड अंडर समबडी अगर आपको कितना भी नॉमिनल जॉब मिल रहा है नॉमिनल इंटर्नशिप मिल रही है
Mm.
गो इन द प्लेसेस एंड लर्न द वर्क once you understand that पिछले 4 से 5 साल में और आगे आने वाले 4 से 5 साल में किस तरीके से साइकोलॉजी ग्रो किया और किस तरीके से करेगा. So it will be very easy for individuals with a postgraduate degree in psychology to understand market scenarios. और जब तक आप market scenarios understand नहीं करोगे, how will you practice? Because this profession is a profession. So you have to make a choice whether you want to go into a job structure or a professional structure. If you go to the professional structure, you have to understand the dynamics of market, trends, and everything. And if you're planning to go for jobs, then there are ample number of jobs in private and both government opportunities are there. So career banana hai, so you have to go with completing your BA in psychology, master's in psychology, get a specialization done for yourself. Like my specialization is counseling. People do complete the MA clinical as well. And the people who wish to go into the psychiatry, they start with psychology in their grade in 11 with medical and then go for MBBS and then they do the MD. So it is a long journey that way.
Mm.
So it completely depends how you are planning to place yourself in the field of psychology. Sports psychology is a thing, organization
Yeah.
psychology is a thing, industrial psychology is a thing, human behavior is a thing. So you have to make a choice that which specialization you are looking forward to. Get your degree done, either get into the job structure or get into the professional structure and bang on.
Does the amount of degrees correspond with the number of years you have to struggle?
And I think this is not only with psychology, this is with almost all the professions if you talk about it in Indian context. इंडिया में ना एक सेट नोशन है कि अगर आपको अपना करियर बनाना है ना तो आपको बहुत ज्यादा रगड़ा मार मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी, विच इज रॉन्ग. सो वो जो एक पैटर्न चला आ रहा है ना मार्केट में, वो फिर आपके इस पे भी अप्लाई होता है जो आप साइकोलॉजी फील्ड को चूज कर रहे हो. सो दिस इज नॉट अबाउट स्ट्रगलिंग विद अ डिग्री इन साइकोलॉजी, दिस इज अबाउट स्ट्रगलिंग एज अ बिगिनर इन इंडिया व्हेन यू आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू मेक अ प्रोफेशन. सो
Yeah. So, when it comes to marketing or branding, should psychologists learn how to do that, or should they outsource it? I mean, what is the better use of their time?
सच अ क्लियर कट क्वेश्चन कि ठीक है मार्केट में तो प्रॉब्लम है ही साइकोलॉजी का, अब ये बताओ सोल्यूशन कैसे निकालना है. Great. So both ways, it is functional. If you
Mm,
outsource it, then you have to check the
mm,
people who you are outsourcing it to, how much they understand psychology, trends in psychology, what will they give you in the name of branding, marketing. तभी वो outsourcing करने का फायदा है. Because
mm,
that person is understanding psychology and your niche. But if you think people around you are not there who can understand psychology as an element, then it is always a preferable thing that first you understand how do you want to get your marketing and your branding be built, and then you go ahead. When I started my practice, I just had this very raw idea कि कुछ तो नाम रखना है, कुछ तो नाम रखना है.
mm.
So I started with I speak, that my client will speak, then why not to make it I speak? It will be very much like a proverb thing that whenever client speaks it, so they internalize the idea that okay मुझे बोलना है, so they open up about it. So this is from where it came, and eventually my identity became a brand value. But initially it was a structure that I gave to myself कि कुछ तो नाम रखोगे ना आप अपनी practice का. So branding can happen in any way, whether personal or your organization. Marketing can happen in any way. You market your own self or you market the ideas. It
Mm.
can be anything. But first you have to make yourself clear that what you are planning to give to your audience, what you
Mm.
are bringing for them, what exactly is your area of work which you want to make counted. And then you go ahead and talk to people, even for branding and marketing, if you wish to outsource. Initially, doing it by yourself is good idea because that way you also understand your personality कि आपके लिए क्या work करता है. And then after 1 to 2 years, you can look forward to outsourcing it because then you will have a clarity what exactly you want to get out of the people you are outsourcing it for.
Mm. Right. And besides therapy, what all ways can a psychologist use to monetize?
So therapy comes at a core to our work
Mm,
कि ये तो हमारी प्रोफेशनल क्वालिटी है कि दिस वी विल डू ओनली. Along with that, if people, and you know what, why it is important to have something by side to give you a flavor of doing something else also. Otherwise, when you are only and only into one kind of thing, which is giving therapy, it
mm,
exhausts you a lot. But
mm,
if you are, utilizing your skills into multiple ways, so it comes out to be really well because you are giving yourself necessary breaks. And it is not easy to give yourself break from taking therapy sessions, because then you will feel very scared about ki I'm not earning anything, and that stress will make you feel like ki nahi, nahi, I should go and show up for work. So the better idea is you can start with engaging yourself with corporates, with schools, with universities as a part-time psychologist, because you are a therapist when you give one-on-one counseling session, but
mm,
beyond that you are a psychologist as well, who talks about human behavior, human nature. You can talk about communication. You can talk about how people can work upon their well being, quality of life. So you can be a speaker,
mm,
which is away from a motivational speaker. And over there, you are talking practically the approaches people should follow in their life. So that is, it can be mentoring as well, that you are mentoring people. And you can join as a school counselor, you can join as defense counselor, you can look forward to work in hospital setting as a counseling psychologist, you can look forward to spend some time doing some charitable activities where you are a social counselor, that you're providing social work. You can associate yourself with NGOs. So there are multiple ways where you can put your degree of psychology in use beyond working as a therapist.
mm. What are the ethical considerations that stem between therapy and profit that therapists need to make?
You know, this is a very important yet confusing question, क्योंकि हमारी बुक्स ऑफ जो साइकोलॉजी है वो एथिक्स आपको समझाती हैं कि आपके डूज एंड डोंट्स क्या है थेरेपी सेशंस के.
Mm,
बट जब आप इंडिया में प्रैक्टिस करते हो ना, तो जो भी सिस्टम बना हुआ है, जो भी ऑन पेपर चीजें लिखी हुई हैं, वो बहुत ज्यादा वेग है.
mm,
एंड व्हाट यू आर डूइंग एज अ प्रैक्टिशनर, you are not questioned whether you're doing it right or wrong. So over there, ethical consideration comes into a lot of ways. How will you do ethical justice to people coming for therapy session? आप उनका
mm,
trust breach नहीं कर सकते. आप उनकी whatever they are sharing with you, you can't be judgmental about it. Your
mm,
body language, your facial expression, everything should be very welcoming. So it is about your therapy sessions ethical consideration.
mm,
And if you're practicing, then you have to be ethically right that wherever you're working post getting your degree done.
mm.
And if you don't have a degree, so you can't claim yourself to be a counselor. This is
Of
another problem
course.
that people faced during COVID time, that people started mentioning in their bio on Instagram that, okay, um, contact me for one-on-one conversation, contact me to have a, share your deep feelings with me. So this is not ethically right. Even people who advocate for mental health and they call
Mm,
themselves to be advocacy people. So that is also ethically right thing, that you have a degree to advocate for yourself.
mm,
That is again important aspect. Even if you're using social media, so it is very important to define a line that how your practice will be like. People share case studies of their actual clients on their
mm,
Instagram, and which is not a very healthy idea, because you are
mm,
breaching somebody's trust even if you're not taking that person's name. And few weeks back, one of my client also came, and the first question my client asked was this only: आप इसके बारे में किसी को बताओगे तो नहीं? मैंने बोला नहीं. Then he said, आपका तो Instagram page भी है, उस पर तो नहीं बता दोगे किसी को? I was like, नहीं, ये तो नहीं होगा. So even people feel very scared to come and talk about their situation, because they feel that, my
mm,
therapist can use this information for their social media platform. And
mm.
then people vouch for it. नाम तो नहीं लिया ना, हमने तो मनगढ़ंत कहानी बनाकर सुनाई है, but this field is very fragile.
Mm.
And we can't just choose to talk about mental health with a cup of coffee in our hand कि हाँ एक केस था, ऐसा हुआ, ऐसा हुआ. So that is the most important ethical value that all the psychologists should follow and abide by.
Mm. My last question to you would be, as you have been practicing for the last 6 years, would you recommend people to join this field of psychology?
Of course. एंड यू नो अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल से कि अपनी फील्ड का कंपटीशन कौन बढ़वाता है गार्गी, तुम कैसी बातें करती हो, एंड आई एम लाइक नो, when we are working together it comes out to be a very strong unit of people who are serving the mankind,
Mm,
and people should join in with right motives that okay, they can help out people and they can serve the mankind, they can be there to help out people in all the capacities possible for them. And as you started asking me with a curiosity कि पैसा है कि नहीं है, इस फील्ड में पैसा भी है. If you work, if you're patient enough to build your skills, choose the right workforce, there is definitely money.
so,
So people should come in, they should join in, they should make psychology as an industry very strong, and then they will see that okay, with right kind of practice skills and right kind of support system, networking, and courage in your heart to show
mm,
up every day for your passion, you will definitely make money. And this
right.
is a career which is very worthwhile. This is a very philosophical career where you sit and you talk about human life and you explore people.
Mm,
Yet it is a complete healthcare industry where you are making people become so mentally strong, so comfortable in their own skin that they win everything wherever they go. So there can be nothing beautiful when we are blending healthcare and philosophy all together, where we are celebrating from where people are coming, and yet we are making them so powerful within that wherever they want to go, they are good to go with that.
Lovely answers. Okay.
Thank you.
It was an honor to have you on the platform.
Same here, Akash. I really enjoyed interacting with you, and I would be more than happy if we can, just bring in more psychology profession on the board and keep this conversation going. And to be very
Definitely.
honest, last minutes were not enough for me, and I want to talk at
Yeah.
length about my profession.
Same
Thank
here,
you
but
so much.
yeah, it's been my pleasure.
Same here, Akash.